mate Steve's coming up for the weekend and we're heading to Skye. Yes! So we set off from Dunfermline, heading north on M90, passing the outskirts of Perth, heading past Pitlochry. We took a quick stop to admire the view of Atoll Palace Hotel. From there we continued north on M90 before taking the A86 to admire the views of Loch Laggan, the River Speen, and of course the highest mountain in the UK, Ben Nevis. From there we took the A82 and the A87 to Dorney to see the famous Isle of Skye Castle. After which point we only had a few miles left before arriving at Skye. Look at that view! Woohoo! Where are we now, Stephen? Isle of Skye.
On our way over.
Bridge. After crossing the bridge, we headed along the A87 before branching off onto the A683. The roads were narrow and often single track with cattle grids, but the views of the mountains and inlets were absolutely spectacular.
It films both?
Yeah, films both. Hey! So here we are, we're off the coast here, off the northwest coast of Skye. Been filming quite a while up at Neist Point, Lighthouse. So
far west side of Skye.
You can see the lighthouse out there. There's Stevie filming as well. I'm doing a time lapse down here. We stayed overnight in the Isle of Skye, staying at a B&B called Heatherbrae. The room was amazing and our host Heather was fantastic. From there we continued back along the A87 through Portree before branching onto the A855. Day number 2. Great day yesterday, absolutely fantastic weather. Couldn't ask for any better when we were up at Neist Point Lighthouse, but today we're heading to Old Man of Storr, which is just north of Portree. Incidentally, Old Man of Storr, for sci-fi nerds, appeared in the opening scenes of the film Prometheus.
Dr. Holloway! What?
Hi, Steve.
Another day, another glorious day. Heading up to Storr.
Steven.
Better and better as well.
Just the drone's up there in Old Man of Storr. Just up near the top. Get some footage.
Trip was over and we headed back down to the car. 2 days had flown in and we had covered roughly 560 miles. The island may be small, but it's rugged and takes time to see. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like. We'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments section.